The Smith Machine Deadlift is an exercise that targets the hamstrings and glutes. When possible, I always recommend completing the conventional deadlift using a free weight barbell since it is a better movement based on muscle recruitment and it doesn't restrict the movement of the bar. However, if you don't have access to a barbell and a Smith machine is your only option, follow these tips. If the safety racks on your Smith machine inhibits you from lowering the bar to the proper depth, you can elevate your feet on a plate or step to increase the range of motion of the deadlift. Lastly, if you're using an angled Smith machine as you see in this video, make sure you're facing out, which ensures the bar moves at a slight angle towards your body as you raise the bar rather than away from your body. To get started, start with the bar positioned at the lowest setting on top of the bottom safety catch with the bar unlocked from the safety hook. With your feet positioned approximately hip-width distance, lower your hips while maintaining a strong flat back to grip the bar with an outside hip-width overhand grip with your shins almost touching the bar. At this bottom position, your chest should be upright, shoulders pulled back, neck in alignment with your spine, and core contracted. As you lift the bar, focus on pressing your feet through the floor as you extend your knees. Once the bar reaches your knees, extend your hips and drive them forward as you squeeze your glutes. Under control, slowly lower the bar back to the floor by pushing your hips back, then bending your knees once the bar reaches your knees. Repeat for reps. Subscribe to get a new exercise video every day.